Good morning, teacher and classmates. My name is Carlos Jorge Varela. I'm 50 years old. I'm studying an UNAD bilingual at the level A1. The topic I chose and which I want to talk about is the adoption of organic agriculture by small farmers in the municipality of Chiamundi in the south of Valle del Cauca, Colombia. The community in the south of Valle del Cauca is characterized by producing very small areas of land, on average half a hectare, located at the foot of the western mountain range with slightly steep slopes. The predominant ethnic group is the Afro-descendant. The adoption of organic agriculture production techniques was somewhat difficult at first, even though many educational workshops with method demonstrations were given. But at this time, due to the high cost of inputs caused by the war between Russia and Ukraine, there has been an interesting turn, especially in the need to obtain low-cost composted fertilizers that come from the recycling of organic waste that comes from the productive process that are carried out inside the farms, such as the excreta of the animals, the vegetable material resulting from the work of cleaning the crops, the processing of food in the kitchens of the house, among other materials that are classified and based previously shopped to the compost by factories that are enriched with bacteria that feed on organic matter, accelerating the decomposition process. Thus, the global situation has been a determining factor in the adoption of organic agriculture as an alternative to produce healthier food at lower cost. Thank you very much. Good morning.